Let's talk about what's going on with Bitcoin, with crypto, with markets. Number of Bitcoin millionaires double in 2023. And why do you think this happened? It's because people have been DCAing all the way down to 15,000. And now they have DCA'd so much back in the green. And now you have millionaires doubling. That is crazy within a single year. I mean, not even a single year, 4 months of this year. So addresses richer than 1 million, there's about 75,000. 75,000, and before there was only about 24,000. That's an increase of 50,000, more than double within a very, very short amount of time. Why do you think this is? Well, because people are fed up. A lot of people are fed up with what's going on, right? I just got done talking about saving banks and inflation and all this stuff. People are fed up, right? And plus, people that have been in the space, the hodlers, they have been DCAing, right? So power DCA, it works. So many people tell me it works. I'm in the green now, or I'm in all-time high. You know, it happens every cycle. But on the way down, a lot of people don't want to believe that. The number of people that want to buy Bitcoin at 69,000 versus the number of people who want to buy it at 15,000, 69,000 is way higher. So think about that. That's psychology of people, right? People want to FOMO in. They don't want to DCA on the way down, but that's how you build wealth. You buy when it's low, right? You don't buy when it's at all-time high. That's why you have so many. But I'm pretty sure number of ETH millionaires probably doubled too. ETH, of course, yesterday started skyrocketing above 2,100. Just last week, it was still stuck at like 1,1800, right? A huge jump within just a matter of week. Options trading on Ethereum sky high, even higher than Bitcoin at this point. Okay, there are a lot of people very excited about Ethereum. Also, liquidations. A ton of short liquidations on Ethereum side. That's awesome. That's what we want to see. Get all the bears, get all the shorters out. No one wants them in this space, right? The more we liquidate on the better, the more short squeeze we have overall, the better it is as well. And then here, for people that are afraid of, ETH being unstaked and dumped, look at this. The total value is actually an all-time high right now. Well, this has also helped the fact that the price went up per ETH, but still, it's at its highest point ever. This is including when ETH was at like $5,000, okay, 4,000 something back in 2021. So think about it. ETH being at 21,000 now, there's more deposited right now or staked than before when ETH was at like 5,000. That shows you how many people are staking their ETH right now. That's incredible. That's incredible if you think about it, right? But as for, and lastly, I did want to say this about Ethereum. If you look at the stake percentage of Ethereum, 15%, you compare that to Cardano and Solana and Avalanche and Polygon, right? Way, way under. Imagine if that 15% now climbs to 68% or 73%. Now that people have no fears about not being able to withdraw, right? As that number increase, ETH is going to become super, super, super deflationary. So you don't want to be giving up on Ethereum. And by the way, I do have this analysis, a Twitter page that you guys should follow because there's a lot of good content like this. So make sure you follow CryptosRus Analysis. All right, now, moving back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you guys know Bitcoin. Supply last active 2+ years, all-time high, right? Bitcoin holders not going away. Bitcoin millionaires skyrocketing. Bitcoin itself starting to skyrocket, even though we're not back to 69,000 yet. But could it happen soon? Well, this is what I put on the thumbnail. So this is interesting. This is basically using Bollinger Bands. Okay, it's very easy. When you use Bollinger Bands, sometimes you get these squeezes right? And then you shoot up to the upper line or the lower line. And you can clearly see whenever you get very bearish and you're hitting a lower line of the Bollinger Band, you tend to pop. And when you pop, it starts going nuts, okay? And look at what happened in 2022. Bitcoin kept going down and down and down. We were hugging that lower Bollinger Band for quite some time. And now we are popping. And according to Titan on Crypto, when you pop above that midline, which we just have, when you pop above it, you tend to hit the other side. You almost like you have a magnet that pulls Bitcoin's price upwards towards it. And if this trend continues and this magnet is pulling Bitcoin's price up to the upper Bollinger Band, that means we will be in the 60,000 range in short order. This is what a lot of people think is going to happen. Some people think it may come as soon as June or July. Now, some people think by the end of the year, we may get an all-time high. So maybe we hit 69,000, 70,000 by the end of this year, right? So it's just a matter of when, not a matter of if. But there's so many bullish charts, metrics, signals, fractals that indicate this is going to happen, right? It's exciting. Very, very, very exciting. Here's another one, just looking at all these rising wedges. And whenever you break out of these wedges, again, very good things happen. And guess what happened? We just broke out of a rising wedge. So it's exciting, guys. I don't know if you guys feel it, but it's very, very exciting once again. And here's the thing. We're only at 30,000, okay? So 40,000 around the corner. It's going to get more exciting. 50, 60. Once we get into 60s, there's going to be so much massive FOMO. I can't even imagine, right? And it's not just from retail side. It's now institutions, banks, and big tech. They're all jumping in. They're ready to FOMO, and there's so much money sitting on the sidelines. It's going to be absolutely wild. This cycle that we're in, this next bull run that we have already started, is going to bring in so much money. It's going to make all previous cycles seem like it was just, I don't know, a test. This is the true one. This is the real one where we get true global adoption from everyone. It's going to be so different than all previous cycles. I can't stress that enough.